In today's video, I'm going to teach you add a quiz to a specific Shopify page. We're going to take a quiz you build with a third-party tool and place it right inside a Shopify page using a simple embed code. This approach keeps your store fast and lets you use powerful quiz features without custom coding. First, create your quiz using a quiz builder such as ProProfs, Octane AI, or Interact. Open your chosen tool, pick a template or start from scratch, and build out your questions and results. Keep your quiz short and focused so customers are more likely to finish it. Add branding elements like your logo and colors so it matches your store's look. And make sure any settings for mobile responsiveness are enabled. When you're happy with the content, save your quiz. Most builders require you to save or publish before they generate the code you'll need. Next, grab the embed code from your quiz builder. Look for an option labeled Embed Share or Install. You'll typically see an iframe or a small script snippet. Select and copy the entire block of code exactly as provided. If there are options for size, choose 100% width or responsive sizing so it adapts nicely to different screens. Now switch over to your Shopify admin. Go to Pages, then click Add Page. This creates a standalone page that you can link from menus, emails, or product recommendations. Give the page a clear title so customers know what to expect, something like Find Your Perfect Fit Quiz or Product Match Quiz. A straightforward title helps both visitors and search engines. With your page open, click the angle brackets icon, the one that looks like less than and greater than symbols, to open the HTML editor. This view lets you paste code safely without Shopify trying to format it as text. Place your cursor in the HTML area and paste the embed code you copied from your quiz tool. You don't need to add anything else around it. Just paste the code as is. Finally, click Save. After saving, Shopify will render the embedded quiz on that page. If you don't see the quiz, double-check that you copied the full embed code from your quiz builder and that your quiz is saved or published there. Some quiz tools take a few seconds to load, so give it a moment. That's it. You've created a quiz with a third-party tool, copied the embed code, added a new Shopify page, switched to the HTML editor, pasted the code, and saved your changes. Your quiz is now live on a dedicated page and ready for customers to engage.